What is going on, guys? My name is James, I'm 27 years of age and I'm a drummer in a band called Avira. I just want to start this video off by saying a massive thank you to the guys at Collision Drumsticks for choosing me to endorse your products. The guys have literally went out their way to help me give the best advice possible on choosing my products and also help me get onto this program. So thank you guys so much, and I really look forward to working with you all in the near future. Now, there's multiple aspects of why I wanted to play with Collision Drumsticks. The most important one for me was the product itself. I've tried different brands in the past and they've all been really good, but they weren't quite what I was looking for. And I've seen drummers in the past that are my friends that also play with Collision, and I thought to myself, why don't I just give it a go? And the minute I laid my hands on a pair of drumsticks from Collision, they are amazing. I was kind of blown away at how amazing these products are. So whoever's been making them has done an amazing job. I love them and I will sure continue to use them, absolutely. Which leads me to my second point. The next point for me is the marketing. The social media is basically the biggest thing possible in this day and age to help branch your name out as a business to new audiences. And if it wasn't for the people behind the marketing at Collision Drumsticks, I probably would not be sitting here today talking about how good this product is. So guys in the marketing department, amazing job. So thank you guys so much as well, because it brought me to doing this video for you guys and being a part of your company. Now you're probably wondering, what products do I actually play at Collision Drumsticks? So I play two different models. I actually play the Collision 2B. I've always been a 2B player ever since I first laid my hands on them. And I also play the 5ARs as well. I wanted to try both to see what fitted me best. And ever since I tried the 5ARs, I was just blown away about how amazing they feel to me. And also because of the sheer length, which I was so surprised by, it also allowed me to let the sticks do more of the work instead of me, which is a big thing for me as a drummer, because I'm a very physical drummer and I play really heavy and quite hard as well. And just the amount of work that it does for me, it takes a strain off me as a drummer. So whoever's been making these sticks has just done an amazing job. I don't know how you do it, because they are just absolutely fantastic. Next up, I'm going to be playing you a song from my band Avira. It's one of our latest releases. It's called Trojan. And in this video, you'll be seeing me play with the Collision Drumsticks 5AR. So please enjoy and thank you.
thousand